Well, new tonight, if you've ever served on a jury, you likely know it's an important civic duty. Knox County judges are asking people to respect the process. They emphasize cases are impacted when jurors do not show up to court. 10 News reporter Ellis Rold joins us. And Ellis, you spoke with 3 judges today who explained why serving is very essential.
I personally believe that short of military service, this is the most important civic function that any of us can serve.
Knox County judges Steve Sword, Hector Sanchez, and Scott Green sat down with 10 News to stress the importance of jury duty. The judges spoke out after a juror failed this week to come back in the middle of a vehicular homicide trial. And when that happens, big problems can arise.
If we have a juror who does not show up, or who does show up and is sworn in and then does not show back up, and we lose our alternate juror, guess what that results in? A mistrial. And that ultimately puts the trial off for several months, if not a year.
This trial had an alternate and was able to continue. Judge Sanchez made the jurors sit and watch the trial from the audience instead of facing a fine. The judges say serving is an important sacrifice.
Our founders knew that our criminal justice system should be founded upon the role of the citizen juror. We really want to put the power in the hands of our citizens, and you have to make sacrifices to do that.
But the court is willing to work with jurors' schedules.
We understand that people have lives and jobs, and so it's difficult. And so we're always happy to work with them to make this civic duty easier on everybody.
And despite the few who don't show up, many do respect the experience.
Even though it is a sacrifice, most of the people find it to be a very impactful experience in their lives.
Rob and Shay, sorry about that technical difficulty, but again, this all comes after an incident that happened this week. A juror skipped out on a vehicular homicide trial while it was still going on. Now, the judges all say they can't excuse juror for valid reasons before a trial starts, like financial hardship or caring for a family member, but they remind everyone if you get a summons for a possible jury duty, you are obliged to show up for court. Rob and Shay, back to you.
It is part of your civic duty. All right, Ellis, thank you very much.